Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video I'm going to talk about class 10 social studies chapter number 1 India futures 1 mark question, right? So this video is going to be for Telangana state board, and if you are from Andhra state board then you can also watch that one. Okay, so actually in this video I'm going to see the all the question whatever is it like 1 mark question. Okay, now so it's a simple question, 1 mark question. In this video we are going to see all the 1 mark question only. Okay, so you can see that one. So here already written 1 mark question, and that's the first question. What is the time of India when it's 8 a.m. in London? So actually don't worry about it. Okay, so if you want to, don't read and don't revision this one. Okay, now you just see the question and try to give answer with yourself. Otherwise just write all the question. Okay, now just write all the question and try to find answer with yourself or create answer with yourself. Okay, now so don't focus in here, right? So give example of Himalaya hill station, and this is very important. Okay, now example of Himalaya hill stations are Shimla, Masuria, Nainital, and Raniket and Nainital. This is very important question, you have to remember. Read the map given below, answer the question. Okay, now so actually for the when you go to the MCQ 1 mark question, these are the very important. Okay, so you have to remember this one. Okay, now don't take it in light. Okay, now so you have to take in seriously. Okay, so these are the 1 mark question, but it's already came in lots of time in exams. So if you want to be see that, like you can say that's one exam paper, board exam paper, just you go and watch that one. Okay, now board exam paper, I have lots of the board exam paper, I already put it in that one, right? So if it is clear, then come to the here. That's the also 1 mark question here. Okay, so whatever in this 1 mark question, I just collected it all the from there, and I just show you, right? Which countries today were the part of the Gondwana limb? India, South Africa, and Australia are the South America was the part of the Gondwana limb. Okay, now name the in the exam they will ask that India is a part of dash. India is a part of Gondwana land. Okay, we have to remember. Name 3 major divisions of the Himalayas from the north to the south: the Great Himalayas or Himadri, the Himachal and Lower Himalayan, like that something. And the third one, name the islands group of India having coral regions. Lakshadweep. What is the peninsula plateau compared to? Okay, and then fifth one, identify the recent difference in northern plain. What are the features of are the found in the northern plain? 7-1, which land feature was a part of Gondwana land? 8-1. Okay, now which plateau lies between Aravallis and the Vidya range? Okay, when are the Aravalli hills located, and what is the dopes, and what is Vangar, that is Bhangar. Actually, Doib, Bhangar, and Kadar and Reef, and these are the some important question. Whenever I just make it some with dark pen, you just see dark. Whenever I make dark and circle, these are the very very important. You have to remember this. What are the called Angrap land? This is very important. Okay. And what are the known as Purvanchal? Actually, in it is not asking for any time, but sometimes it's asking. We have to remember. Okay, and then after see that one. What are the average altitude of Himadri? Where the Kanchenjunga peak? Important. Where I mark with blue with dark pen, and where I circle. These are very very important. You have to remember. Where are the Kanchenjunga? What is the second highest peak in the Himalaya? Name the valley in the Himachal ranges. What are dunes? Okay. Where is the Wabar located? And what are the 2 divisions in the Peninsula Plateau? Which is the eastern part of the central islands? Which is the highest peak in the Western Ghats? What is the other name of OT? Okay, now. And what is the narrow coastal plain? Name the peninsula river. And that's the last question. Which India islands have volcanic organism? This is very important. We have to remember this. Definitely it will ask you to it in a MCQ paper. In 20 marks paper, definitely they ask. Okay. So actually this paper is completing here only. So whatever in this paper 1 marks for this whole chapter indirectly future in, I just also said whatever is for 1 marks I just put it here only. Okay, now so if you practice for 1 mark, so just see that one. Okay, now just look at the question and try to find answer with yourself. Don't look at in here answer. Okay, now if you it is it's very compulsory, you have to see that one. Okay, now so then you have to watch this. Okay. Right, so I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you. All right, so we will meet the next video. Jai Hind.